Let me put this away. You idiots will understand. I'm not the damsel in distress. I'm not your best friend or distraught and clueless. I'm not like all the rest, just trying to get by. Nope. I'm the bad guy. All these former humans that you see, each of them with shaking knees has knelt before me. So I'm not your teammate or your partner in crime. What am I, souls?
You're the bad guy.
Oh, it's stellar to watch a monster turn to dust and die. Oh, it's thrilling to be the villain. I destroy their homes and then I watch them cry. 'Cause I'm the bad guy. Oh my gosh, they're not trying to conquer the underground so they can rule it. They want to destroy it. Man, that's evil. Isn't it fantastic? I see something, I flash it. Let me tell you why. I've always had a weakness for barrenness and bleakness. I crush all your hopes and then I watch you cry. See, I find genocide rather fun. I don't want your assistance or your criminality.